everybody, so today we are back on Roblox, and today's Roblox video, we are back playing some Blue Choo Choo Reformed. That's right, we are back playing this game, and ever since we left it, they actually got a few updates, like now you can change colors of the coaches. See? Now there's a green one too. Pretty cool, eh? It also, when looking at the game, like the pictures, like some images of the game, there was like narrow gauge engines. So let's look for them. Let's go, Thomas. Man, I haven't played this game in like a month or so, or more than just a month. Let's go this way or this way. No, not this way. Let's go this way. There's a derailed truck back there. But let's see. Oh, okay. No, I don't want to go this way. God damn it. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so now we're back, and now we're in Stanley, which look... Hey, look, there's one of the narrow gauge engines. It's Skarloey. Oh my god! My freaking goodness! He splashed into the water. My goodness. Also, Stanley right here looks like he's seeing things. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'll take these cars. See you later. I don't know why am I taking some cars. Let's see, let's go. Alright, let's go this way. Surely they're somewhere around here. Let's see. So we go this way. Hey, look, there's the ginormous... What the... Whoa! That's something I've never seen before. There's also the ginormous Tommy Thomas thing. Hang on. But also I see, like, there's another part of the map. There's, like, a new part of the map that I haven't seen. As we go inside the Thomas. Now... Whoa! That is so cool! It's a snowy... It's like a snowy, like... Wow, this is a snowy part of the island, and there's like a tin machetes there with a sad Henry. Wow. Well, Stanley, I won't need you anymore. You can just pick up some snow from the tracks here by using your cars. What? Why is there a bridge here? What does that sign say? Nothing else, lol. Man, there's a giant, that's one big bridge. And right here, there's the narrow gauge engines. Let's go! Hang on. Let's see. So we got as of right now, we have Skarloey, Renea, Sir Handel, and Peter Sam. There's also the coaches. And the trucks. Nice. Whoa, there's the... What did I see? Did my eyes see like a little slate mines? That's what it was called? I think it was. Oh, and this time they had their actual whistles instead of the generic train sound. Pretty cool, eh? Alright, let's see. Let's go. What the? Why did we stop? Why did we stop? What happened? Did we run out of water or something? What happened? Ah, well. Right here, there's some pretty cool stuff here. Like, there's the... Like, the slate truck's right up there, and there's some down here. Let's see. Can I push them down here? Or try to push them down? Let's see. So apparently there's something that just stops your engine from going here. There's some sort of stopper. So if you're the creator of the game watching this video, please fix this. Like Peter Sam couldn't make it on it, so maybe the other engines can't. But we'll just do something else. Maybe we'll get a long line of cars. How about that? Huh? With Sir Handle. Alright, right here we have 8 cars right here. And Sir Handle is struggling to haul all these cars. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know you can do that. Let's see. Oh. Alright. There we go. We're all loaded now. So now we can actually go on this very, very high track. Hey, look, I can see your mom from up here. I'm kidding. Whoa, this is actually pretty cool, not gonna lie. Whoa. What's happening down there? Hang on, I'm gonna whistle. Hello down there! Hopefully I don't fall down like the last engine did. Hope nothing bad happens. Oh crap, my cargo! Ah, my cargo! Oh no, oh no! Oh no, my cargo! It's gone! Oh no, it's gone. No, my beautiful slate cars are gone. No. Oh well, at least ooh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's get some express coaches with their handle. First, we gotta turn around. Wow, that was quick. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Oh, right, this way. Nope, not this way. Come on. Go, 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 go. Ooh, 3 express coaches. Neat. But I feel like we can have more than just 3 of them. Also, now trucks and vans have different colors. But as of right now, I don't see any. I haven't seen any trucks that are gray. But as you can see back there, there's one gray van back there. Alright, now we have all these coaches. 6 coaches. Impressive, huh? Ah! Oh no, we're gonna crash! Ah, no. Oh my goodness. Yo, bro, oh my goodness. Wow. Bro, how did that happen? Anyways, back right here, there is Oliver spawner and Wooden Railway Thomas spawner. And I'm sure you're supposed to do some things in order to get these 2. If anyone knows how to get these 2, tell me in the comment section down below. Oh, this has been true disaster, eh? But well, everybody, that's gonna be it for today's video now, guys. So if you liked it, like, subscribe, click the bell notifications, select all, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!